So I'm doing an install on some steps I'm installing on my van. I have to go in and out, and it can get out of control sometimes holding these dogs as I'm coming in and out. Those are the cages, and I have to come out. So I'm doing this install on some steps. All it is put some pilot holes and then screw the screws down. It's like about 10 of them. And then this mechanism here, I'm gonna have to fabricate something here to grab that. So it can hold in place every time I bring it out and put it back into the van. So it's a quick install. I just started. It's been like 5 minutes. Probably take me another 5. And we'll see how it looks. So that's how it's going to sit when it's put away. Like I said, I have to fabricate something right there to hold it in place. Not doing this at night because I gotta go do a job, and I'm gonna be coming in and out of the van. And safety first. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but we got it. Just gonna stagger them. Have them ready. Especially when you don't have a helper. Yep, this is the way we do it. Oh, I'm gonna pay somebody to install it for me. Yeah, right. One more. There you go. That looks okay. Looks like a pro did it. So let's see how this looks as I set it down. There you go. Not that bad. Ask my helper to walk in and out just to see how it looks. Go walk in. Not bad. Not bad. This is the Solid Step brand. This is going on a Dodge ProMaster. What I like about it, if there's uneven ground, you can adjust it. So now I just got to rig this little piece here so it can hold in place. Well, that's my install.